You charge it like you do. How them think I will how you done so now? You bad man go in. Man, make them come out and used to do that. You know, see the brother over there in a big orange suit. I got, yo, take a man out there. People, well forward. So Jamaica. Charge them not like what I go on, brother. People, make sure so no subscribe and smash it like. You hear me? You know, the man forward or unless I go like them want to take with a fool to you know. That me I talk about, you know, brother. Because them I talk like so Jamaica not turn up a thing. They don't care about people more time on the feelings, you know, because I don't care about what you know, brother. You see me? How them take with her? Them think we are poppy show around here. Where them feel like say. You think that the little fake Barbies them a real strong black woman around there and some strong lion in the Gideon. Where them feel say some little shaky fence, pop down, walk over something. No brother, you are going now. We know that the wolf in that clothing thing, brother. Me I tell you, brother. At this gone to, at this thing gone to. Enough of the people them deserve what they get. God then shake you, brother. You know what we hate? More than a funny man. When people look in our face and I tell we dry eye lie. Hey, me not look friend from the guy. No. That me I tell you, even know about who you know, brother. That's why me I tell you, see, you see through that side there, brother. We not look friend, hey, smash it like and share this. But hey, brother, me tell you this in my youth. I pay fake warriors out here now. You understand me? People do things see attention. They must seek clout attention. Me not look none. You understand? No. People, I pay sugar coating a go on around here. And people fi talk them at mine, brother. You understand? Talk your mind, brethren. And if you chat in your mind, drop in the comment section, brother, and we get the program hot, brethren. Because I pay hypocrite thing I go on. Half an hour warrior. 1 season warrior. Move on up cloth and go. Take people for. And so Jamaica, we are all for the people. Out of many one people, we make that channel here and burn fire over this furnace. This hey. Make sure son of blood. Hey, you hear me, man? I'm mad, them get mad around here. That's why I should have make it charge it talk when you want to talk a while ago. Because I tell you, say, right now, YouTube, big up on your damn self. Because you are going to know. That's what I'm saying now. Use like curly locks. You see me? Twins have twins, them necessary in this, you know. We don't have a filter around here. Carry them around. Dirty, brother. Because some man fi know what going on and now say you are now. You see, all of them look rabbit to be lion, brother, yeah. And all of these fake people with them fake suggestion and them lion suggestion when they want to market the people them to them crew. We not accept none of that no more. You understand? You have the people them we forward out. We don't even have to call them name because them plot print in the sun like you see it, them print out right in the sun. Them bright, you can't miss them. Them like a stop. Like, you understand? And then if you stop, you understand people? Don't brainwash people and then call people Babylon. And then una the Babylon works and the worse than the Babylon them. We need to farm on one in union and call it the nowadays lion Babylons. After precious little Jamaican society where they want to corrupt and sell out and una they on sale ready to buy out. You want me to tell you say why I know people say nobody is a bigger hypocrite than we Jamaican. The fight will go on a boombox. I force on to see fight and a regular on a chop up on the neighbor them. And a regular on a chop up on one another. Upper public, sick on a little stage fight, right? And a one cameraman camera stand must mash up or something like that. All of a sudden, how the worst thing them ever see, man never get a box down and a kick it. Virgin, I wanna come from. You see what I talk about? You see it? I wanna confuse the eye themselves over the when it makes sense. Half of them sitting there wanna watch and create excitement over and lose on self a scripted thing where them plan to grab on attention. Enough of them sitting there and make sense on scan it and see for yourself and still believe in it. Guess who fool. And then man who not say fool. I man we are checking into a man we are say fool every day. And that the smarty the fool. Because if you see the smarty fool, and you still a follow back at the fool smarty. That got go with it somehow. Now people, where is this country heading? Did LA lose drop down for real? Me can't believe this. LA. Big up 7. And another thing, me realize, some man a go out of them way for bad mind and create problem, brother. Now, I go out of him way, call like on WhatsApp, with this whole Facebook era thing. Virgin, me ask the eye, me say, after you watch that Virgin collecting money, right? Me say, did you send any money over there? He said, no, me not send man money. Me say, all right, then Virgin, so we are create excitement for, and I act so touching, you know, your feelings like a baby mother. Me have to say, wagwan, yes or no. When man I call my phone for a report next month in a costume, me say, you probably want to. If you see it at work, and you don't have no money, and you got a report or next man I do make money, brother, you might want to go buy a costume. Just make sure say the one where you get I one with the glad clown face. Yeah. Yeah, man. Notice this brother you have Vegas, you know. Go and like say film face have to be more famous than any glad body else. Cause I notice that from this whole popcorn and the melon thing, him is so happy every minute. Oh, man for eat melon and man this and if they are forward out and they have something on him conscience, just say it, Virgin. You name melon, alright, cool. We know. Next. Viegi love him melon. Give him a napkin. Jaja. How do some man? When they make all foot type of y'all dash where him drinks them and supermarket and run out of melon and no one say them no one no more stock. Virgin, you hear me right now? Go and pre not free. You see it? Cause if you someone feed pan rum and them same thing there. You know I go on and now. I go blend up some melon. See it? Cargo and Vegas near melon. Me don't chat. I kill my boss. And if killer no like you, me no like you neither. People, so Jamaica, we turn up. Them dead, man. So charge it. This is how I happen now. A dog linked me up. And I said to me, say, yo, new rule, better than Sting. Straight up. The Virgin said, new rule, so hard. That's all MC enough you want to go over there. So I left that for another topic. Speaking of topic, it's a wonderful thing. If you see enough you kick up some artists and rough them up, cartel, I must proud of them. I Octane, Malidan War. People drop it in the comment section. Who do you think I will bring home the one the victorious? As the Dan Dada. Walk away. bust ahead in a clash. Acting say anywhere, brawling. No, right now. Any stage, anywhere. So you don't know. Mali Dan say, yo, darkness, brawling. No. Darkness. So, we don't know what go on. And the people them can't wait. The people them can't wait. So Jamaica can't wait. We don't know so we have to do the reviews. We don't know. It's a must. That is a must. And right now, we see JAMAICA have a bad video out and a song with Joshy. People, it's a good look. Dancehall nice. You know, gone nowhere. You think just a get nice. You know, I know, say, Mr. Vegas, when he forward to dancehall and reggae, he's a very emotional individual, Bridget. And he never hold back much when he expose, say, allegedly, him Bridget send man to come shell him. So him say, Daddy, how this them up on the program? People, who never does feel for you. Anyway, only if you make LA Lewis drop down and I Prince Royal, we need to do some research, come and I believe it. Anybody? Anyone? Peanut man down there, sir. Downtown with them, yo. What go on? Somebody didn't know? Nobody? Lady? What is? Why my phone not stop ring? Yo, you come like the whole of the drama we are going in a dance hall. I feel my phone a ring. Dog them call me, I say, you don't see who they on YouTube? I say, who that? Everybody over YouTube. Man say, no, Ninja Kid. I say, what? I said, no. I say, yo. If say before you say nothing. I go talk about the money. I say, which month? I say, you're gone this already. I said, brother, you're gone too far, brother. You have to remember, you know, dog. A Ninja Kid make enough artists right now. Right? Relevant to us. You see me? Get a shine. So, doing the research, you see it. Ninja Kid, legendary. You see it? And he was scamming to but I did done that, man. Big up Ninja Kid. A very, very, very entertaining person. You understand? Them man, they have so much hit song. That's them youth nowadays. They might see Ninja Kid and they might not understand. Say Ninja Kid probably fly more than enough of them. And not only that, Ninja Kid, they on dancehall at seat. Kid out in the street right now. Yo, are the wickedest thing. Yo, walk and talk, right? People. Walk and talk are the hottest thing in the streets right now, people. Walk and talk, never have to talk to people no more. See, walk and talk all done horse, you know. Walk and talk, I do the thing, man. Big up walk and talk. You see it? And right now, people, if we can remember the man them who have the vibey song, you know, a few years past, and if you can remember, Future Fambo and the Doctor. I'm drinking rum, right? So this is the thing now, right now. We need to see a tour with Future Fambo and the Doctor and whoever them want to bring. But Future Fambo and the Doctor. That tour there, straight vibes, energy. You'd have to call that tour the energy. You know? They would have released that from energy God and just say, yo, Ellie, you don't know say, talk about Ellie and mix the energy It's a monster show that in a farm. Energy God. Everything that I go and stay because everything the doctor and what the doctor call it on the fix? Elephant the man. Big up Ellie, big up doctor, big up on yourself, you know. South Jamaica. We turn up. Right now people is so much things to talk about. But the main thing is we are burn some fire. Say it now, man. Light it up, man. Make sure you subscribe and share that one. You see it?